This is the right place for you if you have been looking for a way to make money online. Our goal in this video is to discover a new way to earn through PayPal by liking and watching videos online, instead of recording them. What a convenient and easy way to get the information you need. But make sure you don't miss anything significant, so stay with me as we go. In addition, it is fantastic because any person can use it regardless of their location without any experience or qualifications. However, a disclaimer: this will not make you rich. It will, however, assist you in paying your bills. So please follow through. Nevertheless, before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and press the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, please leave a comment in the section below. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be teaching you a new way to make money online without a doubt. I will be introducing you to a new website called rapidworkers.com. Just type rapidworkers.com into your browser, and as it says on their homepage, Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced career with over 100,000 employees. It also states that they assist individuals, small groups, and professionals in creating low-cost exposure, advertising, and marketing campaigns to boost sales and improve their ranking backlinks. If you want to work on this website, go to the micro jobs that they have available. Pick the activity that you enjoy and the task that you want to complete. Then submit proof and you will earn money through this website, which you can cash out using PayPal's Cash. Now I am attempting to show you how to sign up. Click the button to be taken to this page, where you will fill out all the required information including your name, email address, password, and country, as you can see from the list of countries. They are willing to accept candidates from all over the world, demonstrating that this technique is well worth investigating. After that, you must confirm or verify that you are not a robot, and you're essentially done with setting up your account. Remember the rules that they have set up for you and make it a point to follow them so that you can spend more time on this website. For example, you're not permitted to use a VPN or any other type of hiding IP program. You're not permitted to use shared or public Wi-Fi. You're also not permitted to use the same IP with different sites. You're not allowed to handle tasks related to a country you're not from. So make sure you follow all these rules. Remember, if you break any of these rules, you could be banned. So don't waste time trying to deceive the system again. Once you've completed your profile, they will ask you to confirm your email. Go to your email inbox and click the link in the emails they have sent you. You can now check your record and simply sign it, as shown on your dashboard. And on top of that, you can monitor many things, such as your all-out store's absolute withdrawals and variety of other things. So here are some things that I may have forgotten to mention. You can get paid $1 to $5 just for signing up. The earning potential on this site is incredible. Furthermore, as you can see, when you look through the page, there are various tasks that you can do, each with its installments. They're all very simple, and you can see the totality that you can obtain from each errand. When you look through the page, each of them only requires you a minute for your time. Keep an eye out for tasks that they aren't marked global or named by the country of your starting point, as it is scam. Keep an eye out for the global ones especially. If you recall that our center will be handling tasks that require you to like videos. So in the search bar here, type in YouTube and click on this button, after which you can sort the positions by profitable assignments. First, would you agree that it's fantastic? Let's take a closer look at this task. It will pay us this amount of money if you do it, and this amount of money. And as you can see, it will link us to this page where we can read all of the information. We need to finish this task. All you have to do now is follow the instructions to complete the assignments, and you will be paid when you're through it, and that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.